What makes Enkind truly different is the science behind it. We will be asking the visitors to jump aboard the Blueleaf Bus, to enter our Enkind lab, join in with some hand-selected experiments. These experiments really show the efficacy of the product and will also prove how the product works.
So educational, especially seeing how the probiotics and the ingredients all works together.
Really good to actually see what we're actually using in the homes at the moment.
It's nice for people to understand that technology and see it working and have the confidence that it actually does what it says it does.